Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm super excited because even though fall's not quite here, it really is around the corner. I'm going to share with you my first pumpkin recipe of the season, and it's how I like to make my pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Now for this, if you know me, you know, had a little piece of lint. If you know me, you know that I love to use crescent rolls for pretty much anything that I can. And I actually found these crescent sheets, which make amazing like cinnamon rolls. So today I'm going to show you how I use that. If you can't find it in your grocery store, do not panic. Just use regular crescent rolls. It'll taste exactly the same. But anyways, enough rambling. Continue to watch to see how to get your dose of pumpkin in. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to combine our pumpkin mixture. Make sure you get pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling. I'm telling you, it makes a difference. Just be careful with that. Put in our sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and then a pinch of salt to bring together and bring out all those flavors. Just going to give this a zhuzh. So I went ahead and rolled out my dough. I actually put it on like a little cutting board because I don't want to cut on my counter. So I just laid it out flat, and then what we're going to do is we are going to butter this baby up. You guys, it's all right. Trust me, perfection. Okay, it's buttered up. We're going to put our filling all over. It smells so good. I cannot wait to dig into this. Now, if you feel like this isn't enough filling, just remember you're going to be rolling this. So you don't want to like overdo it, because then I feel like it'll be a bit much, but you can always add an extra. You can double it, triple it, whatever you want. I mean, essentially it's your kitchen. I'm just here to give you some ideas. And how easy is this? There's no rising time, none of that. Not in this kitchen. Although sometimes it is worth the effort, but these I think are just as delicious. Spread over, and now we are just going to be rolling it like so, just like any other. All right, I have my greased pan. I have my rolled little cinnamon rolls, and you want them about, I would say, an inch or so. I'm using my serrated knife. See, just like that. And then what I do, right, because it's a cinnamon roll, I put them down, oops, like this, and they're gonna open, okay? So you don't want to put them one right next to the other, but like right about here. Okay, so they're all in here. They're nice and kind of spread apart. They are going to expand, so they're going to end up touching each other. You're going to put this into the preheated oven for whatever the package instructions are. Mine are 10 to 13 minutes. But if I see that they're coming together quicker, I'll make sure to take them out. And then I'm going to show you a really easy glaze for these. Alrighty, so my cinnamon rolls, my pumpkin cinnamon rolls came out of the oven. See, they're like that. Yeah, they don't open quite as much as a cinnamon roll, but trust me, these are just as delicious. It's a quick fix, you know what I mean? Like, I can definitely share with you, and I will, how to make the real thing, but this is the Lazy Girls Kitchen, and these taste amazing. So now we're gonna make the glaze, and here I just have some confectioner sugar. Oh, that was like a weird thing in there. What is that? All right, you're gonna add in a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and all you're gonna do is just mix. And if you need more to make it icing, just go ahead and add some, and I'll show you exactly what you're looking for. when it all comes together. Definitely need more. All right, my icing is ready. Look at that. It's not super runny. Perfect. All right. All I'm gonna do is just drizzle it over my rolls, and that is it. So easy, so delicious. Don't want to hear about too much sugar right now. It's sweater weather, people, so I'm going all out. If you want to see exactly how to make this, get all the measurements, head over to thelazygirlskitchen.com. Make sure that you subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you later. Bye.